All right, here in the carriage house, we got some of this TotalBoat Halcyon amber gloss varnish today. The folks there at Jamestown Distributors talk real highly of it. Says it goes on easy, can be recoated fast. No sanding, I think they said, minimal sanding. See what it's advertising here. Fast drying, recoat, no sanding. They're liking how it looks is really the most important thing to me, is what they told me. So they sent some to us to try it out. A little bag that you can we dump some out into a little cup. Didn't bother to strain it. I know that will strain Doug's imagination, but we didn't. And then you can kind of squeeze it to get the air out, and then seal it back up like that. So kind of a harsh test here for it. Temperature's down 53. Using a cheapo brush, not strained, and just we'll brush it on here and see how it goes on. It's thicker than a lot of varnishes we've used before. It's almost like a gel. Maybe that's the temperature. I don't know. But just kind of dabbing it out of here, working it. You know, regular varnish, you don't want to agitate too much because you get bubbles in it that'll end up in your finish. This is tolerating my abuse here. So we're putting it on a piece of white pine, the kind of pine you'd find if you bought a interior 2x4 at Lowe's. It's not necessarily what you might call a boat building lumber, but if you conceal that, it's a softwood, so it can get rot pretty quick. But if you seal it up, keep the moisture out of it, seal it with some varnish or paint, it can be handy because it's real easy to work with. What we're coating today is what we're calling our Crickle. It's a paddle shaped like a cricket bat. Using it on some of these smaller boats that there's not much real estate to carry a little paddle around on one of these boats. You certainly don't want a big one. And the little shorter paddles have a big wide blade on it. Sometimes we find ourselves wanting to just do a few quick strokes to get around a tack, doing it one-handed while the other hand's tending to sheet and tiller. So with this high aspect ratio blade, you can kind of throw it out there and do a couple of sweeps and get on around through the tack. It's handy to get off the shoreline and back to the shore when the wind's being blocked by the trees. So this is our trademarked Crickle. You saw it here first. The blade shape is from the Greenland paddle. It's a long